Yeah, so make sure your body is comfortable. You can actually take some time to look around at these colors and shapes, people. You know, like these kids, toddlers, before they've been taught a bunch of shit, they are just looking. So check with your body, and we may carry various tensions or unnecessary muscular contractions. Make sure your body is comfortable. And then close your eyes. And first of all, just decide for the duration of this circle that whatever you got in your life, whatever you got to do later, whatever happened, you put it aside now. Just turn off the knob. Trying to figure out something in your life, to plan, to rehash. And bring your full awareness in this moment. And bring awareness to the process of breathing. Allow the breathing to be smooth and a little deeper. Just keeping your attention on the felt sense of the air, the belly rising and falling with each breath, the movement of the diaphragm. No past, no future. Just aware. And using the breath as an anchor into here and now. Whenever you catch yourself in daydreaming, just notice and drop it, and drop it and bring your attention back to here and now. Our life is here and now. And it's okay if it's a little thoughts, monkey mind, it's normal. Just try to keep redirecting back away from the thinking to being aware of your body. And relaxing the face. You can even make some faces, relax the mask, relaxing the eyelids, relaxing the shoulder, just being present. Being aware doesn't need thinking. And now you can let go of this just focusing on the breathing and being present to the totality of your experience. Like there are sounds, there are thoughts, and there are bodily energies, emotions, sensations, moods. Just noticing them without trying to change, without escaping into the mind, past or future. Notice the sensations of the contact with the chair and the floor. Whenever you check out, bring yourself back. I will use the bell from time to time throughout these groups. It's a reminder to come back to just being mindful, being present. Now bring some more interest towards this, your body, the inner body, like where we have these energies, sensation, tensions, numbness in the chest, belly, throat, gut, and fully allow whatever is there, neutral or unpleasant, pleasant. Observe it and let go, trying to get rid of it. Being the watcher of these emotions, these energies, without trying to analyze or change or get rid of. So whatever you notice, see that it is changing, it is moving. And see that it is not you, it's something that you are aware of. This thing that we are aware of, like the voice, this voice, the traffic outside, random thoughts and energies in the body, see that they ever change, move. Buddha would say this is impermanence. See the impermanence, the arising and passing of phenomena. But that which is aware, the real you, this presence of awareness, it doesn't change. it's always here, perceiving the changing. Whatever you are aware of, it's not the full you. It's just a small fragment. And when these thoughts or these feelings, they go away, they die, you remain. You as that which is aware right now.